Hello students, today we are going to start with the grammar topic kinds of sentences. Students, we use different types of sentences for different purposes. When we categorize the sentence according to their purpose, there are four types of sentences. They are assertive or declarative sentence, imperative sentence, interrogative sentence and exclamatory sentence. Assertive sentence means to assert something, to say something, to declare something. That is why it is also called as what? Declarative sentence. This assertive sentence is of two types, affirmative sentence and negative sentence. Affirmative sentence here means positive sentence. Here in this sentence you will find that no, not, never is not used. That is why it is known as what? Affirmative sentence. And in negative sentence, words like no, not, never are used. So it becomes negative sentence. Examples for affirmative sentence: he fought bravely. The earth moves around the sun. Next one for negative: he never comes on time. See, never is used. It is not a good idea. The word not is used in the sentence. Imperative sentence. Imperative sentence means command, request or plead sentence. Command sentences like shut the door, be quiet means when we give someone some order. Request like please shut the door, please be quiet. This is request. It also comes under imperative sentence. And plead sentences like please give me justice, please give me some food. These are all what? Imperative sentence. The next one is interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence here are of two types. First is WH type question. Means here the question starts with what, when, where and how. And it ends with a question mark. Here a does. As an answer, we expect a complete sentence. But in yes no type of question, we just expect the person to say yes or no, or sometimes in interrogative types of sentences, when your question starts with the helping verb here in the question itself answer is there. We do not expect answer from the person. Like is it hot? Are you hungry? Here the person will say yes, it is hot, or yes, I am hungry. Understood? Now, fourth one is exclamatory sentence. When a strong feeling is expressed, that is known as what? Exclamatory sentence. Here in exclamatory sentence also what happened? Here you start your sentence with what and how and you end it with an exclamation mark. But sometimes what happened? Instead of what and how, you use the interjection itself, a word itself which expresses strong feeling like hurrah, it expresses joy, or you can say alas, it expresses sorrow. So after those words, after interjection only you have to use exclamation mark. Other than that, if you are using what and how, you have to, at the end of the sentence, you have to put exclamation mark. Now, in your examination, they will ask you to interchange these kinds of sentences from exclamatory to assertive, assertive to exclamatory and all. So, we are going to see examples of each interchange. Now, interchange exclamatory to assertive. Now, see exclamatory sentence. What a piece of work is man! Exclamation mark is there. Now, assertive sentence means simple sentence. You have to just say in simple words. So, what you will start your sentence with the noun. Here you will say, man is a wonderful piece of work. What a fool you are. Here you will have to keep in mind, here it ends with the helping verb or verb here. So, you have to change it into assertive. So, you will say, you are a fool. How sweetly she sings? You will say, she sings very sweetly. How beautiful the night is? You will say, the night is very beautiful. You have to just change it into a simple sentence. Assertive to exclamatory. While changing from assertive to exclamatory, as I told you, If you are using the interjection here, after the word itself you have to put exclamation mark. But if you are not using interjection, so at the end of the sentence you will put exclamation mark. Like see, it is very sad that poor Maya is dead. Here this sentence expresses sorrow. So here you will, instead of you will use the word alas, which expresses sorrow, and you will say alas, poor Maya is dead. I wish that I had not lived to see this day. You will say, oh, that I had not lived to see this day. He runs very fast. You will say, how fast he runs, an exclamation mark. His charity is generous and quiet. You will say, how generous and quiet his charity is, exclamation mark. It was a very discouraging thought. What a discouraging thought it was, exclamation mark. Interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. In interrogative sentence, you have to keep in mind your sentence starts with, your question starts with the helping verb. Like, is not blood thicker than water? Means in the question itself you are getting the answer that blood is thicker than water. So while changing into assertive, you will just write the answer of that in a simple sentence, that blood is thicker than water. Are we going to submit like this? It means what? We are not going to submit like this. Why waste time reading this? You will say we should not waste time reading this. Shall I ever forget those happy days? You will say I shall never forget those happy days. Means for instead of ever you will write never. You will start with the noun in assertive sentence here. I, we, pronoun, we, then blood, like that. Assertive to interrogative. Now you have to change this simple sentence, assertive sentence, into interrogative. Like, no one can bear such an insult. Now this no one will become, you have to start your sentence with the helping verb, and here it will become opposite of that. So you will say, can anyone bear such an insult? Question mark. There is nothing greater than love. You will start from here. Is there anything greater than love? We can never forget her kindness to us. Can we ever forget her kindness to us? There is nothing better than a busy life. Is there anything better than a busy life? Here you have to keep in mind that you have to just start your sentence with the helping verb. Now while changing the sentence from affirmative to negative, students, there are certain change of words. Like if in affirmative sentence always is used, you will use never here in negative. Accept, did not reject. Agree, not refuse. Deny, not accept. Difficult, not easy. Possible, not impossible. As soon as, no sooner than. All, none. Everybody, nobody. And everything, nothing. We will see examples of that. He promised to tell the truth always. Now he promised to tell the truth. What you will do? You will write opposite of truth, and you always will become never. He promised never to tell lies again. As soon as the match was won, the celebration began. As soon as will change to no sooner. But you have to keep in mind, when you are starting your sentence with no sooner, the other part of the sentence should start with that. No sooner had the match been won than the celebration began. Only a fool will laugh so loudly. You will say only, instead of only you will write none. None but a fool will laugh so loudly. Only the rich can afford it. You will say none but the rich can afford it. You have failed to complete your work. You will write you haven't completed your work. Please shut the door. Please do not leave the door open. Again, negative to affirmative means simple sentences. A cock is not so beautiful as peacock. Means what? The peacock is more beautiful than a cock. There is there is no meaning in your sacrifice. Means your sacrifice is meaningless. You have to remove no, not, never. So you will write opposite of the word. The competitions are not held in same school. The competitions are held in different school. These batteries would not work for a long time. These batteries would work for a short time. They have no understanding at all. They have very little understanding. This is simply not possible. This is quite impossible. You have to just use opposite of that and you have to use no, not, remove no, not, never from the sentence. Now we will see the exercise. She unwrapped it carefully. This is affirmative sentence. They are asking you to change it into negative. Means you have to use no, not, never. So what you will do, you will write, she did not unwrap it carelessly. Instead of carelessly, you will use the word, instead of word carefully, you will use the word carelessly. And you will use did not. So, she did not unwrap it carelessly. I was no more scared of people's curious look. You will say I was hardly, instead of no more you will write here hardly scared of people's curious look. You have remove no more and use hardly because it is affirmative sentence, positive sentence. It was a discouraging thought, exclamatory sentence. What you will write? What a discouraging thought it was, and you will put exclamation mark at the end of the sentence. It might be a good idea to get high school out of the way, negative. Instead of good idea, you will write bad. It might not be a bad idea to get high school out of the way. These were not readily available. Affirmative, what you will write? They were often unavailable. Instead of available, you will write unavailable. Can anyone really conceive a world without poverty? You have to change into assertive. What you will write here? No one can really change the world without poverty. She felt very horrible about this tendency, exclamatory. How horrible she felt about this tendency, and exclamation mark. Students, I hope you have understood. Thank you.